Hello, hello. Well, welcome, friends. My name is Lynn, and let's pack an exclusive craft kit available to VIP ticket holders of the Paper Escape Spring Staycation. So, I'm going to show you exactly the final packaging and everything that is about to go out the door. So, this is available only to VIP ticket holders. At the time that I'm recording this, there are only 4 tickets left. They will not get restocked. And I hope you get it. So I'm going to start off by making the box that this will ship in. So this is not a custom printed box. It's just something that I bought off of Amazon that is about the right size. Now, of course, with things like this, if you're able to buy them in larger quantities, then they get less and less expensive. And who knows, if the event starts to get more and more popular, I can maybe even custom print some boxes, but I'm definitely not there yet. So for now, this is what I'm going with. It's just a nice box that is nice and sturdy, corrugated, and this way the kit contents will not get crushed during shipping. So that is step number 1. Okay, so then the next thing is to actually start to pack the actual kit. So this is an exclusive kit. It's been specially curated by myself and some of the key designers of the Paper Escape, namely the 2 artists who drew the art for the custom photopolymer stamp set. I like to start with the biggest items. So in this case, it's going to be the full sheets of cardstock. So 3 sheets of heavyweight hammer mill, 2 sheets of heavyweight craft, and then 5 sheets of layering weight solid color cardstock. All of this will get wrapped in some tissue. The colors might vary. So if you bought a kit, then you might get something different to this. Then we have half sheets of some specialty papers, so clear acetate, vellum, gold mirror, and silver pearlescent. So we'll have that. Of course, the 6x8 stamp set. This is Wonder and Whimsy. So excited for that. Illustrated by Meg Brighter and Sire Anderson. Next up, we've got 6x6 pattern paper. This is 24 sheets of single-sided pattern paper. There's a very generous swag bag from Letty, who is our special guest instructor. She is Party Planner Papery. She has an Etsy shop where she sells a lot of really cute things, and she has contributed a swag bag. If you want, check out her channel because she did actually do a little bit of a video to share what she's including inside that. Next up, we have adhesive and a full-size ink pad. So this is pretty awesome. I am the design team manager for Imagine, which is the US distributor of Sukaneko inks, and I also manage the tape runner design team. And to be fully transparent with all of you, I get paid in product. And so I've chosen to actually purchase product for this retreat kit. So that's going to be included. I'm really thrilled that I have the ability to do that because I love being able to give you all some really nice core stash building things that will be applicable outside of this kit as well. Next up, you're gonna get a little baggie full of embellishments, action wobblers, paper brads and metal brads. There's even foam dot adhesive, and of course the collectible button pin. So you've got that. And last but not least, every VIP ticket holder will get some pre-colored, pre-printed, pre-cut illustrated images. Now these are from the Wonder and Whimsy stamp set. They've been colored by the instructors on at this retreat, or some of them, and as well by the illustrators themselves. So Meg and Sire did color up a set, and if you are a lucky VIP ticket holder, you're gonna get 3 sets, one from Meg, one from Sire, and one from one of the 3 instructors who included their coloring. So that goes in the kit as well. Okay, so that's what everybody is going to get. And so what I'm going to do to package this is I'm going to just sort of kind of put everything together as closed as I can get it. And then I have a thermal printer where I can print out onto stickers various labels and stickers. So I'm gonna put the paper escape, thank you, 2026 spring staycation. This is a fun little holographic sticker, so that helps to kind of keep that tucked in nice and tidy. And everybody who purchases a ticket is also going to get a yeah, let's do, I have 2 stickers. I have one that's the paper escape and one that's my thank you. I think I want to put the thank you on the inside and then the paper escape one on the outside of the box. Okay, so now all of this is going to go into a clear mesh project bag. So I'll just tuck that in, slide that in as carefully as I can. Okay. Now, I've also printed out this so that everybody who gets a VIP ticket, they know what the weekend itinerary looks like, what all they're getting. So there's the physical products in the VIP retreat kit, and then bonus ticket holders and VIP ticket holders get a digital kit to craft with it as well, and that will be emailed. Plus some folks are gonna get extras, and the extras are because, well, I'll show you actually exactly what the extras will be. So let me first slide this in. And that's basically what everybody is going to get. But let me package up the extras and tell you a little bit more about those. Okay, so the extras are going to go to the folks who ordered earliest, and it'll just be while supplies last, because some people have been waiting for their kits since last October, which was the very first Paper Escape event. And I really appreciate the folks who ordered early. They did get their kits at a really good price, but besides that, they've been super patient. And as well, they ordered the kit before even knowing what was in it. And so as a thank you for those early birds, I want to give them all of the extras until I run out of extras to give. One of the extras is this cool pen, which I assembled together. You can just like put different colored beads on the pens, and so everybody's gonna get something a little bit different. And there's even like a refill ink there. So we'll just package this in a little bit of tissue. Everybody's gonna get, or not everybody, but while supplies last, a little bit of this is like a gold glitter enamel dot strip. So a little bit of a sampler of that. I made extras of these. It's not everything that comes in the kit, but it's just extra twine, some of the paper brads, some of the confetti, and foam dot adhesives. So I just had a lot of bundles ready to go and didn't need them all. And so why not just include them as a little extra bonus? Okay, so I might just decide what the best way to wrap this up is. And then that's it. So this is just a little extra something just for fun. Again, while supplies last. And it's gonna go out first come first serve. So basically the folks who ordered early are the ones who will get these first. And let's see, I think I can, oh, that's good. I'll do that. So wrapping items that are oddly shaped is not the easiest. So, okay, I think that's a nice little tidy bundle. So we'll do that, but I do want to close that off with something. So I've just got these little clear sticky dots. So I'll just use this to just close that off. So this is just a little extra. So I want to just put this in, but I want to make sure it's wrapped separately, just so that if you do get a little bit of a bonus extra something, and it may not have all three, it might have just one or two or whatever, I'll just it'll just be off to the side so you know what's in the kit and what's not officially in the kit. And then all of this goes into our box. And then just depending on, see how there's like a little bit of this extra void space. So I'm gonna put just some crinkle paper to fill that up, just so that everything while it's in here, it doesn't slide around. At least I want to prevent it sliding around as much as possible. And once it gets to this stage, all I need to do is print a shipping label, and then I've got a Happy Mail sticker that I'm gonna put on here, and as well I have a Paper Escape sticker. So usually I put the label on here that way you know it's the Paper Escape. And then to actually seal this box, what I'm gonna do is I'll put a line of tape, and then this will actually, this custom sticker will actually seal right here. So it'll look like that. So you'll see the Paper Escape again, 2026 Spring Staycation. I don't want to do that just yet because I need to get some filler into this. And that's it. So that is the Paper Escape Spring Staycation Kit. If you are interested in this, grabbing yourself one of these, I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. Also, because my shop is now on Shopify, I can actually connect products from my shop to the little shopping bar and the little thumbnails that pop up on my videos. So you'll start to see that things that I sell from my shop, as well as things that I use that I can find affiliate links for on the YouTube shopping platform, you're going to see those pop up as little thumbnails sort of on the bottom of the video and below the video. So look for links to this retreat kit bundle there. If you're watching this after this has already sold out, be on the lookout for the next Paper Escape. It's going to be the winter vacation in October, and it is being held over the first weekend of October, which is World Card Making Day. That Saturday is World Card Making Day. So I've got a lot of really special things planned for that event. It's going to be a little bit different to past events. I'm constantly evolving this event to find new fun ways to craft together. So I hope you'll join me for that event as well. There's going to be some new ticket options, and the folks who attend the spring staycation are going to have first dibs on the retreat tickets for October. And let me tell you now, it's going to be limited stock. Unlike this kit where I could do pre-orders and essentially everybody who wanted one up until when I had to place my order, they were able to get one. But the retreat that's coming up in October is going to be limited stock only. And so you definitely want to at least register for free for this event if you are at all curious about the October event, because you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be among the first to have an opportunity to get your ticket. Thanks so much for checking out this video, and I hope to see you this spring at the Paper Escape 2026 Spring Staycation.